మనం ఈరోజు స్వదేశీ మేళాలో ఇంకొక స్టాల్ దగ్గరికి వచ్చేసాం. ఇక్కడ ఈ స్టాల్లో వీళ్ళ చాలా అట్రాక్ట్ చేసిన కొటేషన్ ఏంటంటే కిచెన్ టు స్కైస్ అని ఉంది. సో దెర్ ఈజ్ నో లిమిట్, స్కై ఈజ్ ద లిమిట్ అన్నట్టు వీళ్ళ కొటేషన్ ఉంది. సో వీళ్ళ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఏంటి, వీళ్ళు డొమెస్టిక్ వైజ్ ఇండస్ట్రియల్ వైజ్ ఎలా ఎవరికి హెల్ప్ చేస్తారో ఒక్కసారి వీరి మాటలో తెలుసుకుందాం. మేడం, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ మేడం. Please introduce yourself. What is your name, your good name, please?
Hi, good morning. I am Rakhi from Sagar Asia family, and we are available from domestic range to the industrial range. Basically, we provide all kind of access solution, be it in home, like if a housewife wants to access something in her kitchen or in wardrobe or in rack. So we generally what we do, like pull a table or chair. So what we want, like people should understand what is the importance of safety, and like people's life should be more precious than money, right? So that is our protocol, and we believe to emphasize that safety measures in industry too, because in India, like major accidents happens while working in with electricity, and while working in height many accident happens. So here we want people to understand that if we take certain amount of safety and security we follow, then working on height could be no limit. Like as we say, kitchen to sky is the limit. You dream anything, we are there for you to provide a height. We will uplift you and you achieve your dream with that, and we will take care of your people's life. That's what is our motto. And we are basically into ladders, where the domestic ladders, industrial ladders, maintenance ladders, and you name it, like we are providing such kind of ladder which are very user friendly when you want to work in electricity. And so we call it FRP, fiberglass ladder, which is non-conductive to the electricity. Apart from that, we are also in a segment called scaffold. Scaffold means where you see like these kind of event. If you want to set something up like in a height of 12 feet or 13 feet or more than that, so we provide that kind of access solution too. And we are also making giving docking system and aviation. We are I would like to say, like our all vendors are very reputed. Like we provide to Tata, we provide solution to this Adani, Reliance. So our customers are very premium, and we are also providing to Hyderabad GMR, and Air India is also a premium customer, and like that. So we are very renowned, we are very famous in the market, but this is a very new experience here coming to this expo, and we are very excited. Yeah, these are my some brochures for access solution. As you can see, like I was talking about the scaffolding, these are some scaffolding which is industrially people used, and we provide any kind of height to those people who want to work on height. We provide working platform. These are scaffold, and we also provide customized working platform. Apart from that, as I was talking about wind energy, so these are our wind energy catalog, where we are providing all kind of wind internals. When you say Sagar Asia family, it's a big name because we are into all kind of access solution. You just name it and give us like a chance to visit you, and you just dream it, we will make it successful wherever you want to reach on height. This is how the wind internal look like. See, these kind of lift people need to be carried. So whenever people are working in height, their life is precious, right? So we take care of that. You work on height, you will be safe if you are holding the hand of Sagar Asia. This is for aviation industry. We are working with many airports. See, in upcoming in India, aviation is booming, right? Many investors are coming to India for the aviation investment only. So we also have like GMR, I told you, Hyderabad. We are providing to them too, and we are also providing to Air India, and we are providing to Indigo. Like that, in aviation industry we have very premium customer whom we are providing all kind of access solution and docking system. And these where you want to maintain just see the picture, like this is a this is a Airbus where you want to have a maintenance, right? How you will reach? So this is how we provide the access, and you can reach anywhere to maintain it.